What is going on, Rock Squad? Welcome back to another video. Today, Jonah's here. We're waiting on Dak, or Dak Ombre, to get here. So Dakota finally showed up. Stopped at BP. Got some chocolate glazed donuts, strawberry banana body armor, vanilla Starbucks double shot. Let's go. We stopped at McDonald's. What state are we in again?
I don't know.
We have no idea where we're at. Whoa.
Here. See what you can do.
Oh.
Oh god.
Oh boy. I'ma do the dash.
See ya.
Alright, bye. Bro, I literally have no idea where we are. Just out in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, what do you guys think of the new Boulder hoodie right here, y'all? Sick, bro. Do you know how to drive?
That's first. Alright. Yes. Shut the yeah, just go. If I stalled, I'm sorry.
If I stalled, I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys still have no idea where we're headed right now. Still don't know where we are, but there's a 7. Oh my god. I've never been in a 7-Eleven. Up. Good job, bro. Come on, dude.
Punch to the brake, right?
Guys, just let go.
Punch to the brake.
Both at the same time.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
At the same exact time?
Yes.
I don't believe you. I really don't.
No, let go.
Are you sure? Okay.
Oh, man.
Bro, I was so sketched out.
Stopped to get some gas. How's everybody feeling?
Oh, dude. The stretch is too nice.
For real? Jonah's been dead in the back seat.
Look at him. It's like my car's giving birth.
We got about like 4 hours to go.
Yeah, we still have 4 hours.
4 hours. Lit.
You up?
About time.
Boulder, you fell asleep too.
I know, but dude,
like wet, like wet.
how long was I out?
Probably like 20.
You went to sleep?
Yeah, for like 20 minutes though. You were up for like 2 hours.
It's still only 12:30.
Thank God for screen protectors. Fell out of my pocket, slammed the door on it. Only got the screen protector though. Thank the Lord.
This is cool. Oh, rude. Oh. Bro, where are you guys sleeping?
Oh my God, and it's like not even carpet.
I mean, it's cool.
Pretty comfy bed, right?
Not at all, bro. It's like laying on the
Christ.
floor.
Wow.
Look, he's sitting in the car. He's got the door open.
Oh wait, it's got mini fridge made up for everything. Oh bro, okay. All right.
Yeah, I can definitely.
I say we just sleep up here. You know, like, I mean, like, look, these things lay down.
Look at the waves, bro. I gotta go get a boogie board.
Yo.
Grab the stuff and come up. Grab what? Grab, like, the rest of the stuff in the car.
What?
Yeah, there's a closet in there too.
Oh, sweet.
It's the only thing to figure out the trunk.
Look at
When I said there was a button, I meant there's a button on the trunk.
Our camera's gonna get soaked.
That's alright. Dude, don't drop my skateboard, dude.
Don't drop our camera.
Don't drop
What
the
do you mean,
camera.
bro?
That skateboard costs half of my camera. That's my drone.
What the Can we see it from here?
Oh god. Why's this thing so foggy?
Hey! Hey! Dude, the room is amazing.
What's up, bro? Is it
Dude,
really?
yeah, bro. Yeah, dude, you gotta see it. I guess so much space and there's so many places to sleep in it.
Being serious. Are you being serious? Say swear.
I swear, bro. Look at this.
You're kidding.
Look at this, bro. Look at it. Isn't that good? So we all share in the bed. But the cool part is the third floor. Dakota, should I take him right now? Yeah. All right, we're going to the balcony. Come on. Oh, look, Ocean House waterfront. You can buy boogie boards and stuff in there.
Surf
That's
dogs.
good. That's good.
Surf dogs too.
Heck yeah. I had a fart. I farted. Oh, Dakota, we can just sleep right here.
Yeah, dude, totally.
Easy, bro. All right, so I'm not really sure what the plans are right now, but I have a feeling we're going to end up going to the ocean, possibly, if it stops raining and it's not storming, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. Luckily, there's a oceanfront store right over there that sells boogie boards and stuff, so we should be able to have a little bit of fun. Yes, the room is unfortunately small, but this guy slept in 2 chairs in Washington, D.C. Me and Dakota can spoon. It'll all be okay. All right, we're heading to the ocean right now. If we all jump, it's gonna go down.
Oh shit.
What the f? You dumb? Are you dumb?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get sand all in my Crocs.
Yeah,
It's looking pretty weird. It's like rained over there, it's rained over there. It's getting really freaking dark over there, dude. Blowing sand everywhere.
Comfortable 2.4 gigahertz remote control and regenerative braking system, removing any stress that there might not be enough room on the road to throw down the slide when it's time to shred some speed. Whenever it is, you'll find out for yourself when you embark on your electric journey from the Atom Electric H10 longboard under your feet. 3 miles.
So as you can see, he's probably going to be getting an electric skateboard. Alright, so we came back to the hotel because I needed to get some money in my account, and I think I already explained this earlier, but I'm about to buy a longboard and I needed money. So my mom pulled through. Thank you, Mom. I love you. I'll definitely be paying you back. About to head out, and this dude slumped.
I'm so tired, bro. I drove all day.
Wind's fogged up, bro. It looks like crap. Look at this. Dude, you can't get distracted. We're trying to go get you that board.
Yeah, well, we don't know how we got here.
True, but that's a backup plan. How you doing?
What's up? How you doing? All the way from Virginia today. All the way from Virginia, I guess. Yeah, but I keep thinking that like when I'm vlogging, I'm supposed to be overseas and like that, but not. I'm just here. I'm a everything.
It's just gonna be like bleep, bleep, bleep.
Yeah. It's like, who is this guy? This is us. Come by anytime you're in Virginia. We'll be awesome. We do handles too. Not we. The women do. I draw like Helen Kelly, so let's not do that.
This is way longer than mine.
See, I need something smooth so I don't break my face. I don't know. I like the look of those a lot more than these ones right here.
Yeah.
Just, I like how the wheels
They're
are
more
exposed
stable,
for some
too.
reason. I don't know why.
And it's got a lot of parts.
I don't know if I should do that though.
I think you should.
No, I ain't gonna jump on it. That's 85 bucks.
Well, bud.
Can we cut the tag off for you?
I know, dude, my board's pretty freaking sick. Shout out to her. What store was that?
No idea.
Bargain Beachwear.
Yep, Bargain Beachwear. Shout out to them. Hooked me up with this board for $85, but it was 91 something with tax, which I don't really care because it's a sick board. He got it all set up. Bruh. I think we need to take it outside.
Yeah, for sure.
Turn.
Hard for me to lean back and turn like that. That's weird.
That's how you do it.
I know, but it's difficult. It's gonna take a little bit of getting used to. Dude, you got this. I believe in you. You got this. What? Oh, dude, he's flying. Ooh. Let's go, bro. You got this.
Bro, I don't.
Come on, bro. Look here. This is all I do. I put my foot in front and just kick. And I go. Oh, whoa.
This is something else.
Watch where you're going.
This is something else, dude.
Dude, I bet that's fun. Casey Neistat level 2, boy. Oh my God. Bro, he's zooming. Zooming up the best street. Zoom. Cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha. Virginia Beach ain't ready for me. Stop. I ain't going into... No road for you.
Boulder's gonna give it a shot. He's literally never rode a longboard until he rode that one, and that's like 5 minutes
I really
ago.
like that one. I really like the one that I bought.
All right, so I'm gonna get footage on both of our cameras on him going down through the parking lot on this thing. It's in rabbit mode.
Whoa, I don't like how it's divoted in the middle. That's weird. It kicks off my balance.
Hold it forward. Bree.
Oh, bro, that's weird. Okay. Oh, okay. Freaking me out. You can have it back.
You can. All right, here.
I don't
Get
trust
some
myself.
footage of me doing yours. I want to see what
All
yours
right.
is like.
Yeah?
It's like I want to go fast.
I know. It's fun. Fun. Literally the smoothest skateboard I've ever ridden in my life. And I don't skate to update. The grip tape's just coming off as I move my feet on the board.
No, I think that's just dirt.
No, but feel it.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Alright, so that is it for the first day here in Virginia Beach. It's actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. The hotel, like, you know, could be a tad bit better, but, you know, we get what we get. Don't throw a fit, right, boys?
That's right.
Pretty happy with the purchase of my skateboard. I mean, yeah, the grip tape's coming off, but I believe it's just because of the water in the parking lot. Anyway, that is it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel down already. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Boulder, and store. Go subscribe to Dak Ombre. And, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.